Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best step stools in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Kramer 100143 Kickstep Steel Step Stool. You've probably spotted this iconic round step stool in libraries and bookstores. It was designed more than 50 years ago, but it remains as useful as ever. The casters are retractable, so if you need to move the stool, give it a gentle kick, and the casters lock into place as soon as you step up, ensuring secure footing. The rubber treads on top help as well. The wheels are designed to be non-marking, so the stool shouldn't damage your floors as you move it around. It's constructed from durable alloy steel and has a scratch-resistant powder coating to keep it looking great for years. We also love that it has a generous weight capacity of 350 pounds. The kickstep weighs just over 10 pounds, so it's not too difficult to carry from room to room. Some downsides of the kickstep are obvious. There are no railings or other supports, and your reach is fairly limited. Measuring 16 by 16 by 19 inches, this is bulky and difficult to store in a closet or another place. But it's good looking enough to display anywhere in your home and an ideal everyday step stool for high traffic spots such as living rooms and home offices. Number 9. Rubbermaid 2-Step Steel Step Stool. From reputable brand Rubbermaid, this 2-step step stool is another dependable choice for all-purpose home use. This simple and affordable step stool is made of steel fashioned into a round tube design to keep the stool somewhat lightweight at about 10 pounds. Large, textured plastic steps and a top handle grip make it safe and easy to use. To ensure the stool stays in place, it has non-slip and non-marring feet. Made for use around the home, this step stool folds thin, so it's easy to carry and store. With an 18-inch top step height and 225-pound weight limit, it's a great choice for everyday tasks in the kitchen, bathroom, and elsewhere in the home. Number 8. DMI Step Stool with Handle and Non-Skid Platform. Using a standard step stool can be dangerous for seniors who are less steady on their feet. Adults who need a safer option may want to consider one with a handle, like this step stool from DMI. Unlike standard step stools, which require a fair amount of balance to use, this option has a comfort grip handle that provides a dependable grip. This one-step stool has a 9.5-inch tall platform with several more safety features built in. It's made of durable steel, with wide reinforced rubber feet to keep it steady. A slip-resistant textured surface also helps prevent slipping. Weighing just 8.5 pounds, it has a weight limit of 300 pounds. Number 7. B.Spaces PicaBoost Kids Step Stool. Designed for toddlers and young children, the B.Spaces PicaBoost Kids Step Stool is a safe and appealing choice for little ones. The wood step stool has a charming design, with a natural wood and bright mint finish. It contains no folding parts, making it safer for a toddler. Wide, textured steps and solid construction make it a safe choice for kids older than 2 years old. It's a 2-step stool with an 11-inch height, ideal for helping kids reach the sink or for potty training. 2 built-in handles make it portable, so kids can carry it from the playroom to the bathroom with ease. Since this stool has a weight limit of 154 pounds, it also can accommodate some older kids. Number 6. Rubbermaid 3-Step Aluminum Stool with Project Tray. If you're looking for the best step stool for home improvement projects, the Rubbermaid 3-Step Aluminum Stool with Project Tray has a built-in tray, making it an excellent choice for home renos. This 3-step stool features a project tray, which has several indentations and holes to hold a gallon of paint, tools, or other hardware. Users can reach the project tray from the oversized platform top step, which is 29 inches tall. This step stool is made from durable, lightweight aluminum, so it's easy to carry from job to job. Though lightweight, it has a weight capacity of 225 pounds. Rubber, non-marring feet keep it stable on various flooring types, and when the job is complete, the stool folds flat for storage. Number 5. Polder 90401-91H Mini 2-Step Stool. The Kramer Kickstep Steel Step Stool first got its start in school libraries, so many shoppers may recognize its distinctive round shape and rolling design. Made with public use in mind, this heavy-duty step stool is a very sturdy option. It's made of solid steel with a scratch-resistant powder coating. Wraparound bumpers protect nearby walls and furniture, as well as the stool itself, from damage. Unlike many step stools on the market, this step stool does not fold. While it means the stool is harder to store, it has no folding parts that can wobble or snap. Ideal for frequent users, this rolling step stool is a good option to leave out rather than tuck away since it's on retractable casters, which make the stool move easily. When the stool is stepped on, the spring-mounted wheels retract to keep it firmly in place and safe to use. Number 4. Little Giant Ladders Jumbo Step. For those who need a good amount of height in a small package, this 3-step Little Giant Ladders Jumbo Step may be a good choice. This lightweight aluminum step ladder has 3 wide steps. 2- and 4-step models are also available. Unlike many step stools, this model has a wider design that feels more like a staircase than the narrow steps of most step stools. The large platform steps also feature a non-slip surface, which makes it safer and more comfortable. The step stool can be used with or without the rotating safety handrail, which also has an integrated tool tray to place small tools. When the job is complete, this stool folds flat for storage. Ideal for the workplace or the home, this step stoop exceeds Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) and American National Standards Institute (ANSI) standards and has a 375-pound weight limit. Number 3. HB Tower 3-Step Ladder. I was a bit surprised how well the HB Tower step stool stacked up among its competitors. When it arrived, my impression was that it was clunky and wide. But as the testing phase progressed, this one proved to be rather utilitarian. One of the best selling points for this step stool is the extra-wide pedals. The widest step on this step stool is generously sized at 14.2 inches, and those with an average-sized foot won't feel like they're teetering when stepping up. The wide pedals also have a non-slip rubber grip that offers heel-to-toe foot support. Honestly, I was able to climb up and down with nary the thought of feeling unstable or uneasy. With the highest step coming in at 28 inches from the floor, this step stool provides ample lift for getting into hard-to-reach spaces, and it will likely offer a good assist to see your household projects through to completion. The HB Tower 3-Step Stool also has a non-slip rubber hand grip, which makes the stool easy to climb and easy to carry, and that brings us to our next point. Number 2. Delxo Step Ladder Folding Step Stool. Delxo Step Ladder Folding Step Stool is lightweight and super stable, can support up to 330 pounds, and has a platform with non-slip material and a locking mechanism. The ladder comes fully assembled, and its rubber feet add another layer of security, so you don't have to worry about the step stool shifting when you stand. Although made of aluminum, the finish is made to look wood-grained, making it an excellent fit for contemporary, traditional, or rustic kitchens without sacrificing strength or durability. It's super easy to carry around and weighs less than its competitors. This Delxo ladder can be used in multiple ways. It acts as a chair or stepping stone for small pets. If you're looking for a visually appealing ladder, you don't have to look far. It provides extra height for cleaning, painting, or just reaching out. It's perfect for your home or business. Number 1. HB Tower 2-Step Ladder. The HB Tower 2-Step Ladder boasts several safety and convenience features that make it the best step stool for many homes. With an impressively high weight limit of 500 pounds, it can easily support most users plus their tools. Its strength comes from its alloy steel frame, which is paired with large rubber padded feet to keep it safely in place and prevent damage to flooring. High-grade steel frame is constructed with strength and reliability. Metal safe buckle automatically locked in place when you use the step ladder. The back cross brace structure reinforced the basic support, which will make you feel more safe climbing up the step ladder. The two-step ladder measures 18.7 inches tall to the top step. With wide anti-slip steps, an automatic locking mechanism, and a comfortable hand grip, it keeps safety at the forefront. When the job is finished, this step stool folds flat to 1.6 inches deep for easy storage.